Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out together. Stay strong, stay motivated. Don't complain, life is beautiful. Our bodies is our clock. Okay, arms on the ground, knees on the ground. Let's inhale first. We will start with some cat and cow, arch, and inhale. Exhale, push, pike your back. One more, inhale, arch, exhale, inhale, pike. Okay, open your knees towards the side, arms in front, drive your head back, relax, feel that stretch in your shoulders, spine, hips, lower back. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly back forward. Arms on the ground, knees closer to each other. Then left leg in front, hips, drive your hip forward. Engage your core, lower back, right arm on the ground. Inhale. Exhale, left arm up. Hold that stretch. 3, 2, 1. From here, we are raising our right leg off the ground, twisting our right hip, lengthening. We have full stretch of the right leg. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend your right knee, switch, left leg goes straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You rotate your left hip, knee on the ground, and inhale. Exhale, open up your right arm. Feel the stretch. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and arms on the ground. Slowly raise your left knee on off the ground. Hold. Lizard pose. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale again. Exhale, we're gonna stretch our right leg. Flex your right leg fully. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3 and back. 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one, hold, breathe. Hamstrings, feel them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You back your right knee forward. Again, we twist your left hip, rotate your left side, then we switch side. Bend your left knee, then rotate your right leg, lizard pose. Hold here first. Arms on the ground, right knee straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we start flexing the left leg back. 1 and back. 2, push. 3, feel that stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push. 9, 10. The last one you hold. Legs together, straight, both of them. Feel your hamstrings. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend your left knee in front, raise your arms, warrior pose, twist your right hip and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then when we switch side, but then for sumo squat, first you go to sumo squat, hold here, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you rotate your left leg straight and you go to warrior pose to the right side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You drive your right arm back, down, sorry. Open to triangle pose, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You switch back to where you were, and then the same switch side using sumo squat. First sumo squat, then rotate your right hip and left arm on the ground, triangle. Flex your left leg and breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arm goes on the ground, bend your left knee. We go full plank position. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Okay. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Here we go. Let's add some upper body, arms on the ground. What we're gonna do next? First, we're gonna do one push down, one push up, then cross our knees towards the left elbow, right elbow, and again push down, up, left, right. We're gonna do 10 times. Okay, inhale first deeply. Exhale. Plank position. Let's work 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. If you cannot do proper push-ups, you can place your knees on the ground and you can do on your knees. Same thing on your knees. If you cannot do 10, you can do 5, 4, 6, up to you. Inhale deeply, we're gonna do one more set. Inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Second set, same thing. Plank position, inhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay, up. We're gonna add some legs. What we're gonna do? Open your legs wider first. Arms. We're gonna start with the right leg. You bend the right leg first. Drive your hips down. Then you back. Then with your right leg, you lunge back. And back. And again. Down, up, back, up. We're gonna do 10 times on each side. 2 exercises together. This is 1. So 10 together, right? 10 together, left. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, breathe. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Left side, same thing. Left with the left we bend, we step back, and left we go back. 10. Inhale. Left side first. Back. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Good one. Not bad at all. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, we're moving forward. Core a little bit. Straight legs, straight arms. We're gonna drive our left up, back, right up and back. If you cannot raise your upper body too much, don't do it. Raise a little bit, I'm okay with that. Oh, sun comes out, not bad. Inhale. 12 times totally. Raise your arms straight up, straight legs. Exhale, let's work. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2, and release. Okay. Inhale. Breathe. Exhale. One more set. Second set, we're gonna do 20. Rotate your pelvis. Straight legs in front, straight arms. Okay, starting with the left. And go. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Let's work a little bit from our pelvis. Rub your knees, bend your legs. From here, we're gonna relax. Straight arms, rotate your pelvis. And we're gonna push back, moving our pelvis forward, pushing from our arms. And back again. Go. 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push. 8, 9, or more. 10, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep holding. I will turn face to you. And from here, you're holding yourself, right? Then, keep holding your knees. Drive your knees towards the right side. Fall forward. Back to the middle. Left and fall forward. We're gonna do 10 times, left and right side. So back to the middle first. Take care, you need to rotate your legs from your hip. This is very important. Inhale. Work, right side. Fall forward. Left. 2. Right. 3. Knee should go as close as possible to your body. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, last one, 10, and we're back to the middle. Okay, grab your toes, push your hips forward, feel that stretch in your hips. With your elbows, you can push your knees a little bit and just hold this shape. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay. Knees on the ground. Let's inhale deeply first. Exhale, arms on the ground. Let's do down facing dog. Hold here, lengthening for the spine. Push 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna raise our heels off the ground, rotate our hips outside, right? So our knees look outside. And then from here, we're gonna bend our knees down and push them back, squeeze them up. Keep your shoulders in the same shape, same position. Okay, 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. Only knees back. Squeeze. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, and you squeeze. Raise your heels off the ground, keep holding. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy, heels on the ground, keep holding. Down facing dog, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we are done. Quick workout, quick practice. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed. Never forget, your body is your clock. Stay strong. Peace.